In front of me is Oukitel OT11 and today I would like to show you how you can rename it. Begin by going into settings and scrolling all the way down to access About tablet. Then click on device name and type in wherever you want to. In my case, Sunny. When you finish, hit OK and then confirm your choice by tapping on OK in the second pop-up, this time about visibility. So when I do that, as you can see, name of my tablet has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!